Health approach, intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise.
So 2 weeks. This is a point when so many people are tempted to throw in the towel. They're tired, they're frustrated, they're convinced that it's just not working. But honestly, this is the time when everything starts to click. Here's what happens around the 2 week mark. Your body starts fat adapting. Hunger eases, energy feels that it's more evened out. You might notice that you've got the mental clarity starting to improve. Fasting can feel like switching on a light in your brain. Cravings often settle, and that's your body's way of moving away from that sugar dependence. The scales might not show much, but your clothes are going to should start feeling looser, your energy is better. Sleep sometimes improves. Fasting helps balance out your blood sugar at night. So today I'm on day 14 and I've noticed that fasting's just feeling a lot more easier week on week. Hunger was calmer. I didn't have the same drained feeling that I had at times during the first week. And that's proof that sticking it out does work. I'm really pleased with how easy it's been and how less inflamed my body looks and my body feels. I'm 11 pounds lighter and we're only 14 days in. From now on, I'll be much more content with a phased and normal weight reduction of 1 to 2 pounds of loss a week. And I know that I'll get there, so I'm not in a rush to speed that process up. I'm happy with that kind of level of progress. So if you're about 2 weeks in and you're starting to doubt yourself, don't quit. This is the turning point. This is where the benefits will start to show up for you. Stick with it. You'll thank yourself in another 2 weeks' time. If you'd like a bit more of a structure for these early weeks, I've left a link to my free 7-day health kick restart plan down in the description below. It really helps when you're finding your feet just to have systems that are just a bit more easy to understand and follow.
So, reminder what I'm roughly following is 2 meals a day, generally lunch and dinner, 2 snacks, 1 pudding, 1 snack, 2 snacks. Today I managed a 21-hour fast, was just busy, so that was fine. So just ended up having one meal, which was meatballs, small mashed potato, peas, and gravy. It was lovely. And then for snack, had keto crackers, an avocado chocolate cookie, which was delicious with Greek yogurt and nut butter. Done. Energy levels amazing, sleep amazing, feeling good.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.